Hello, hello mga kabanding ng lingko.
Gala na naman.
Ready na naman kaming gumala ngayon. Gagala mga senior, samahan nyo kami. Tayo na sa galaan. Susundin daw kami ng mga apo. Kaya kami ipapasyal daw nila. Ready na kayo? Let's go!
Oh.
Where are we going, Mariah? Where are we going? We're going to Pine Ridge Hollow.
Ano bang mayroon doon?
Ewan ko kung ano yun. Ano mga kabanding ng lingko? Let's go! Samahan nyo kami.
Samahan nyo kami. Punta tayo sa pupuntahan.
Oh my God.
Kung saan man mapararoonan. Basta kami nakasakay.
Oh, sige na. What? We're here. Oh my God, it's so nice. Wait, I'm gonna give you that. Sarap maglakad dito sa labahas. Nandito na po kami sa aming pupuntahan. Pine Ridge Hollow. Sarap rin ano, maglakad. Look at that.
Oh, phew! It feels like hay.
Sleeping pig.
Oh, he's trying to sleep with the
Oh,
flies.
his name is Frank.
Oh my god, he's so cute. It's like Scarlet.
I know, Scarlet. Ah.
Whoa, that's a nice one. Right?
Oh, there's a chicken. Chicken.
So nice.
Teka, dito ako sa kabila.
Go, pose. Sit
Chicken.
there, Papa.
Chicken.
Oh my god.
No name. Hold on.
Oh, that's a little too small. Are you?
Are you careful? That goat is hungry. Are you brave?
The baby. Tiny. Come on, drink. Oh. We're going inside the market now. Summer market.
Like flashlight.
Ayun na yung dalawa namin kasama. Nice. What's in here? There's no fish. Oh! No fish! Dito na kami sa Village Market. Pagod na yung tourist. Ayan. Daing tao guys. Hindi pa kami pumapasok dun sa sa market. Mayroon yatang performers. Yan.
Just to dip both your feet in. I'm sure now.
Ito ang
I'm
entertainment.
sure it's when I wonder when I'm on the right beaches and the walls painted.
Donut, mini donut. Kahilingan lang.
Burger.
Kahilingan ng hari. Nakain kami ng donut, ayan. Mga bata, kinicheck yung restaurant kung pwede daw kami mag-dine-in doon kasi usually reservation lang ang pwede. Eh, ano naman, late time na yun, kaya baka pwede kaming kumain doon. Otherwise, burger ang kakainin ng lingko.
Instead, all I can hope is she's treating me real nice. I see the new girl you're holding. The bar is finally closing. I don't know what I'm begging you.
Ayan, nagutom ang lingko, kaya kami ililibre niya dito. Kain na naman. Ayan. Kakain tayo. Masarap, Leng? Sarap?
Very good.
Very good.
Some rice.
Sweet yan. Rice. Big rice.
My knife isn't sharp enough.
You're struggling, Jess.
It won't cut.
What happened? Hot?
Oh my god. Did you burn your mouth?
This is mine. Small portion lang in order ko. Yum. Nakakain ng lingko. Pauwi na kami.
Nabusog.
Nabusog-busog.
It's too hard to walk now.
Hard to walk now.
So cool.
Thank you for watching. Until next time. Bye-bye ka na, Leng.
See you. Babayo.
Bye-bye. Magandang buhay. Now I cannot end again.